Bonjour et bienvenue to French class with Shalaka of Empower Tutorial. Comment allez-vous? Je vais bien. In today's class we are going to learn regular verbs in French with ending with ER verbs. Okay. So in French we have three groups of verbs. The verbs ending with ER, IR and RE. So what is ER verb? It means the verbs in infinitive form ending with ER. So what is infinitive form? So you can see here the verb chanter, danser, regarder. These are ending with ER. These are not yet conjugated. Okay. So the verbs before we conjugate is infinitive form. In the last class we learned that in French we conjugate each verb with subject pronoun. Je, tu, il, elle. Same, this ER verb also we conjugate with the subject pronoun. Like in English we have sing, to dance, to watch. In French we have chanter, to sing, danser, to dance, regarder, to watch. But how to conjugate? Let's see. So let's take first verb chanter. So chanter is in infinitive form. Just we remove the ER, we drop down the ER and we take the stem CHANT. Okay, and then we conjugate that. Here when we conjugate with je chante, we add E. For tu we add ES. For il, elle singulier we add E again. Then for plural nous we add ONS ending. For vous we add EZ ending. And for il, elle plural we add ENT. Okay, so take the root chante, and for je add E and the pronunciation is je chante. For tu add ES, the pronunciation is tu chante. Il add E, il chante. Elle add E, elle chante. For nous add ONS, nous chantons. Vous add EZ, vous chantez. Il add ENT, il chante. Elle add ENT, elle chante. Now repeat the pronunciation. Je chante, tu chantes, il chante, elle chante, nous chantons, vous chantez, il chante, elle chante. So for pronunciation for all the subject pronoun except nous and vous are same. Chante, chante, chante. But for nous the pronunciation is nous chantons, and for vous chantez. Okay. For example, if you want to say I sing, then je chante. You sing, tu chantes. Correct. Now let's go to the another verb, danser. Danser, to dance. Again remove the ER, take the root DANS, yes, and add E for je danse. ES for tu danse. E for il, elle, so il danse, elle danse. ONS for nous, so nous dansons. EZ for vous dansez. ENT for il, elle plural, il danse, elle danse. Repeat. Je danse, tu danses, Il danse. Elle danse. Nous dansons. Vous dansez. Il danse. Elle danse. Same conjugation. Now the next verb is regarder. Regarder, to watch. I watch is je regarde. You watch, tu regardes. Same ending for je ending e, for tu ending es. Il regarde. Elle regarde. Nous regardons. Vous regardez. Il regarde. Elle regarde. So same, we are doing the same thing. We remove er and we are adding e, es, e, ons, ez, ent and ent. Okay. So here habiter. The verb is habiter. But here h is silent. We are not pronouncing it. It is habiter, not habiter. So h is a vowel here. So when we have a verb which starts with vowel, so we write it as a je apostrophe habite. Only for je conjugation. Conjugation of je, not for tu, il, el. Only for je. So it is je apostrophe habite. J'habite. The pronunciation is j'habite. Tu habites. Il habite. Elle habite. Nous habitons. There is a liaison. Nous habitons. Vous habitez. Liaison. Vous habitez. Ils habitent. Elles habitent. Okay. So when a verb starts with vowel, for je we write je apostrophe habite, the verb. Okay. Now next aimer. Aimer, to like. Again the verb is starting with the vowel aimer. So again for the je, subject pronoun je, what we are doing, je apostrophe m. So the pronunciation is j'aime, not je aime, it is j'aime. J'aime. Tu aimes. Il aime. Elle aime. There is a vowel, so there is a liaison. Nous aimons. Vous aimez. Ils aiment. Elles aiment. Repeat. J'aime. Tu aimes. Il aime. Elle aime. Nous aimons. Vous aimez. Ils aiment. Elles aiment. So if you want to say I like mango, so j'aime mangue. Okay, I like mango. J'aime mangue. She likes an apple. Elle aime une pomme. Yes, elle aime. She likes, elle aime. Let's go to next word. Manger. So manger. In this verb, only for nous, subject pronoun nous, we have e. Normally the conjugation is ons, but for manger we have e, mangeons. Okay. So the conjugation is je mange, tu manges, il mange, elle mange, and here nous mangions. If we remove e, the pronunciation will be nous mangions, but we want the pronunciation as mangio, so we add e here. So nous mangions, vous mangez, il mange, elle mange. All the conjugations are same except nous. Nous we have extra e there, so nous mangions. Okay, so like manger we have changer, changer to change, voyager, voyager to travel, bouger, bouger to move. So all these verbs have e in nous conjugation, like je change, tu changes, il change, elle change, nous changions with changeons. Vous changez, il change, elle change. So these are the verbs which conjugate with like manger, manger, changer, voyager, bouger. Okay, now commencer, commencer to start. Same, only for nous we have cédil si, see cédil. The other conjugations are same, but only for nous we have commençons with cédil si. If we put normal c here, the pronunciation will be nous commençons, but no, we want the pronunciation as a commençons. So here we have cédil, see cédil, like français. In français we have c cédil, like commençons. Okay, let's see the pronunciation. Je commence, et tu commences, to start, il commence, elle commence, nous commençons, vous commencez, il commence, elle commence. So the pronunciation and the other conjugations are same, e, es, e, but only for nous there is a c cédil. Okay, so now these are the verbs which have the same conjugation, like chanter to sing, danser to dance, regarder to watch, aimer to like, habiter to live. So aimer and habiter, they have same conjugation because they are starting with the vowel. So j'aime, j'habite, aimer, habiter, and parler to talk, adorer to love. Again adorer, adorer, so it is a verb which is starting with the vowel a. So j'adore, like aimer and habiter. Adorer also starts with a vowel, so j'adore. Fermer to close, écouter, écouter again, it's like adorer, je écoute, je apostrophe écoute, yes, écouter to listen, détester to hate, yes, visiter to visit, jouer to play. Let's repeat. Chanter, danser, regarder, aimer, habiter, parler, adorer, fermer, écouter, détester, visiter, jouer. So these are the verbs which we use in day-to-day life. There are other verbs also, ER verbs, but these are the verbs which we use in day-to-day lives and which have the same conjugation. Okay. So, but in English, we have two ways to say I sing and I am singing. So ing form is there in English, but in French we don't have ing form. I sing is also je chante, and I am singing is also je chante. I dance, je danse. I am dancing, je danse. I listen, je écoute. I am listening, je écoute. So for both I sing and I am singing, we are using je chante, je écoute, je danse, same. Okay. So let's do the quiz. So tell me the conjugation of aimer for je. J'aime. Correct, because it starts with vowel. So je apostrophe m. J'aime. Okay. Next, conjugation for tu, chanter. Conjugation of chanter for tu is chanter. Correct. Then for danser, il danse. Correct. For elle regarde. Very good. Now nous mangions. Mangions with e. Nous mangions. Yes. And for commencer, vous commencez. Okay. Now next, here we have English sentences. Let's translate it into French. Now she watches. She watches. Elle regarde. Correct. Elle regarde. Next, we dance. Yes, we dance. Correct. Nous dansons. Very good. Next, you sing. You sing. Tu chantes. Très bien. Next, they sing. So they feminine plural. We want they feminine plural. So elle chante. Very good. So in this class we learned the ER verbs. How to conjugate the ER verbs. The first group. Then some exceptions, little bit like manger, we have to add extra e. Then commencer for nous c'est-il-ci. When the verb starts with vowel, how to conjugate with je aime, j'habite, j'écoute. So if you like this, please subscribe Empower tutorial. Thank you.